Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is May 17, 2016. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in. All right, taking a look at the S&P 500 E-mini futures. What you're going to see here is that the futures have trickled a little bit lower. They are now trading down by about 5 points to 20.58 per contract. Now, the news is that the April CPI did tick up a little bit. It was up 0.4%, a little hotter than expected. And you can see futures are coming down a little bit on the news. I don't think it's a really big event, but we'll see how the market plays out today. Yesterday, you did have a robust rally on rather lethargic or anemic volume, but today markets are giving back just a touch ahead of the opening bell. Let's look at where the trades are today. First, we're going to start off with Home Depot. That is in the news. They reported earnings. Stock closed at $135.34. It's now trading at $133.80. 5 cents. One level I am looking at right now for Home Depot, if it got down to 131, I think traders could get a little bit of a quick scalp play there, but you got to look at the 131 level today. I will have other levels in the chat room if we do go lower, but right now off the bat I am looking at the 131 level. Now obviously in sympathy to Home Depot, you're going to look at Lowe's, which will report earnings tomorrow morning. That stock is also trading down a little bit. Closed at $77, now trading at $76.60. So we'll keep that one on the radar. No levels as of this time, but Lowe's will be in play with Home Depot once the opening bell rings a little later this morning. All right, let's take a look at TJ companies or TJX. What you're going to see here is the stock this morning is trading at around $78.45. It closed at $75.19. That's a pretty good pop. Give this the upside bias to $80. That's really where it could go. If it overshoots, it'll go to $81.50. If you own TJ Maxx, trail the stop loss immediately. If you don't own it, it's a little tough to chase it up here. I couldn't do it. But nonetheless, we'll keep it on the radar today. Again, I am seeing resistance around the $79.50 to $80 level, and then more at $81.50 today. So good move by TJ Maxx. Stock is moving higher and showing pretty good relative strength. That will help a little bit of the retail sectors. In sympathy to this, usually we'll see Ross stores trade up a little bit, and you can see Ross has caught a little bit of a bid, so you can keep that on your radar today. Few other stores, Kohl's stores generally will do well with this. Kohl's not doing much, but keep Kohl's on the radar. That's another beaten down equity. May catch a bid in sympathy to TJ Maxx this morning. All right, let's take a look at Agilent. This is like a laboratory maker. Stock is having a nice pop, trading at $45.30. Closed at $42.94. This equity is overbought, so you got to be very, very careful here. I do not see a whole lot of upside from current levels. In fact, at some point, if we get a reversal candle, this could be a stock that stalls out now and starts to pull back. So look for potential fade opportunities on this one. We'll be watching this one in the intraday stock chat room. And again, if you haven't done so yet, you come on over, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You'll see everything that we're doing in there. And you can trade right alongside of us. Next up, we're going to look at PLCE, which is Children's Place. And you're going to see this one is trading at $73 a share. Closed at $68.25. I am seeing very good resistance around the 75 level. That was the high of the pre-market. Again, we'll see how this all plays out, but Children's Place with a pretty strong gap up today. Next level of resistance that I'm seeing is around 78.50, maybe 78.60, around there, but really, really good gap up. We'll see if it could get through the highs here, which is $75, and that is resistance at the moment, so we'll see where it goes. Next on my list is going to be Francesca Holdings. This stock, ticker symbol FRAN, is getting hammered today. Closed at $14.91, is trading at $11.72. I don't really have a lot of levels here, but the one thing I will say is if you take a look at a monthly chart, what you'll notice is that the low in the stock was around $10, $10.04, and that goes back to August of 2015. So again, that would be your big support level. If you want to take a stab at it, it would be there, but that comes with higher risk, definitely a lower priced equity, and a weaker name, and the stock rarely trades a million shares a day. So for me, there's really nothing to do here until we see the $10 level get tagged, and then it could be a possible small bounce play. Let's take a look at Red Robin Gourmet Burger. Ticker symbol is RRGB. And what you're going to see here is they reported earnings as well. Let's go over to the 10-minute chart so you get to see it. Stock closed at $61.99. It is now trading at $56.73. So this is getting hammered. I will have levels for Red Robin right off the bat, though. Level I get interested in would be around $50.40, $50.35, right around there. That's where I see the stock putting in some kind of a bottom. A lot of traders will say, well, it may not get down there, and it may not, but look how far it's fallen already. So, again, don't rule that out. I think that is a pretty good level, and then I'll have levels for it a little bit lower. Red Robin rarely trades a million shares a day on average. Stock trades probably about 200,000. So, again, these stocks can overshoot levels. Got to be a little bit careful there. And that's the reason why I gave you the number where I did. All right, let's take a look at the gold market today. Gold is trading up 80 cents. It was negative a little while ago. Now it's up $1. Right now it's at $12.75 per ounce. We do have crude oil up at 10 cents to $47.82 an ounce in the pre-market, or I should say, a little while ago, crude oil did exceed $48. So crude oil still showing some strength today. Had very good strength yesterday. I do think crude's coming into a lot of resistance now. So more on that later. Come over, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat, and we'll talk more about that. But with that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading session, and we will see you on the charts.